Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling system sounds so Windows can play the welcome tone. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Themes, click Sound Settings. Make sure system sounds are enabled. Once done, prepare your WAV file. Windows prefers 16-bit 44. 1K HZ PCM. You can convert MP3 to WAV quickly with any audio app. Name it clearly like Welcome. WAV. This setup matters because Windows only accepts proper WAV formats for event sounds, so follow these first steps before changing the event association. Next, you assign your file to the logon event. Open the sound dialog and find Program Events, locate Windows Logon, click Browse, select your prepared welcome. WAV, then hit play to test. Make sure volume is audible and clipping free. Once satisfied, press Apply so Windows stores the association. You can also save this as a custom theme to keep changes across updates. Doing this makes Windows use your sound at sign-in, rather than a default system tone, so verify the test sound to confirm success. To finalize, sign out or restart so you can confirm the new welcome sound plays during logon. If you don't hear it, first check the WAV format and bitrate. Make sure system volume and sign-in sound option are enabled. Also inspect Focus Assist or notification settings that may mute system sounds. Once fixed, reassign the file and test again. If a conflict persists, restore the default sound and retry with a different WAV. This narrows down whether the file, format, or system setting caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.